My soul belong to you, God. Oh, God, have your way. Thank you, Jesus. Have your way. Have your way. God, have your way in me. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Jesus. Have your way, Lord. God, have your way in me. Take my mind. Take my soul. I dedicate everything to you. Have your way in me. Have your way. Have your way.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And they put my thorns on his head, but he still wraps me in his arms. He still wraps me in his arms. I see your grace, it abounds. Yeah, I once was lost, now I'm found. But you still wrap me in your arms. You still wrap me in your arms. Yeah. Come on, wave your hands. Hey. Wave your hands to Jesus. Come on. Hey. Lift your voice. They put the nails. They put the nails through his head. They put my thorns on his head, but he still wraps me. He still wraps me in his arms. He still wraps me. He still wraps me in his arms. Hey. And see your grace. Jesus, I once was lost, but you still wrap me in your arms. Your arms, God. You still wrap me in your arms. Hey. I dare see how far you've come from me. I know they bow. Yes, I know they bow. Why you love me so? Hey, I dare see how far you've come from me. I know they bow. Yes, I know they bow. I know they bow. Why you love me so? Hey, when I remember how you love, I know they bow. I know they bow. When I remember how your love was lifted, I know they bow. I know they bow. Lift it up from the top. I dare see how far you've come from me. I know they bow. Yes, I know they bow. I know they bow. Why you love me so? When I remember how you love, I know they bow. I know they bow. When I remember how your love has lifted, I know they bow. I know they bow. Hey. When I remember how your love, I know they bow. I know they bow. Hey. When I remember how your love has ransomed me, I know they bow. I know they bow. Where you are, there is love. Where you are, where you are, where you are, there is peace. Where you are, Lord, where you are, Jesus, there is freedom. Where you are, where you are, where you are, there is healing. Where you lift your voice, where you are. Say where you are. There is love. Where you are. There is peace. Where you are. Where you are. Where you are. There is freedom. Where you are. Where you are. Where you are. There is healing. Where you are. And when I remember how you love, I know the Bible. I know the Bible. When I remember how your love has lifted me, I know the Bible. I know the Bible. And when I remember how your love has transformed me,
The midmorning show. Have a blessed day.
And Crawford chits not city, put a jam and book the moon in Samati. Somebody, my bravo, that's not shower. Because Kawunio, hey, and your mother tree, you're at your door. Come in with your not in the minute, or from a Savio. Or Sonia could pass a cemetery. I am yo. The baby, today I want to say, I want to see my Tadia Seminila, my media Tadi for Probiatim. I don't miss my Tadi for Probi. I am yo. Sakageratia, my son is not sure I'm a queer. Yeah, never see him with you. Chibubom, a hungry too. Within Poto Jemitimu, Fima, we Musa, Atum Raponio. They bring your couponai. Bami, anymore. Me, Yamu. I ran on your bubro, who many must see. The Pimodi, Timu Dindi, I have it, some frawa, a yabro.
Adwuma-Adwuma. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And God of Enoch, He heard my desperate cry. He lifted me. Oh, He lifted me, and He set me free.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
same wakwame eradia mwame kamina hefa na metru bebia metri wakrabo imo same shawa kamini bebia seye truko oh asiso and it's a Savior. Oh, come in and live. Come in true, maybe I'm in true. One from people, Sabeshawa. Come in, maybe I say a true. Oh, I see so. If you're a sister, send it to and then empty sand coming up here. I'm true, maybe I'm what we move, seven shower coming in, baby. I say it true. Here I dig when you must know. So do when you're not on the swat. It is the old on the swat. Weti masemina mame, me hoto nusu, mama mesa ensifo. Me hoto nusu, asam suanya mopota. Kamena mefa, na metru, bebia metri, o asetrecho, sabeshiawa. Coming in, baby, I say it true. I see so. If you're a sister, send me a children below, and then empty side, coming out here. I'm true, baby, I'm true. I'm Sabeshawa. Coming in, baby, I say it true. Me wanting you now. Need the best when you monya. Be free, my combo. Make it more. Make comfortable. Me wanting you now. Need the best when you monya. Be free, my combo. Make it more. Make comfortable. Coming in, baby, I say it true. Coming down here, coming true, baby, I'm a dream of the Sabeshawa, coming in back to me. Eradimu when you must see do. Saudi Unina to Nusua, make me hoto Nusu, what people money what me show ina, make me hoto Nusu, Masa Anyamabo, coming on me, come through, maybe I'm Seneshawa. Coming in to me more. I see so. And yes, you bring me Lord. And then and this time you coming down here. The man too, baby, I'm free. What the coming in, baby, I say
the mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Coming in, baby, I say it true. Oh, coming down here, mama, true, baby, I'm free.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. big morning show. Have a blessed day.
Jesus, now also me porque see I Osana mate kweshirame waba for ya to me free me ponimo me God Jesus
The big morning show. The big morning show. Have a blessed day.
Marco Marito Jones and no young can grandma. Right, so 47 minutes after 10, Abusia, Bibi Aboko there. The video years, Bibi Ashisha, and then Aya Benada. 14th May 2024. Yatina says, yes, some Ghana, yes, some Africa, yes, some ODA, Achimodan precisely. And the images with the enemy champion Kobina Boating, over to me from Kobina Costi, the fashion like a Siapan and Coma production team, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, and our face Kobe K. Yatina see the Abusian, yeah, the Wokosa. But Mamin Kai was saying Yankopon Adwuma. 25th and 26th May, the Calvary Methodist Church, AD, on 20th anniversary. And until Achimodan Diocese, Bishop, Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng, the late chairman, brother Dr. Isaac Danso, very Reverend Kingsley Safo Boateng, Senate Secretary, and our minister in charge, Reverend William Boache Sapon, and our sorry in 24. Any congregation of Calvary Methodist Church at Tonsa and your friend Obibia say one become home now for Yama Jumedi and yes from Kukra at the Shannon song. Say Yankopon Adwuma 25th no a Saturday Memenda. You bet Chimo made of fast streets na ya the Niger Punch Shesso. Nama Abdo 4 day Yanamina who's on Paya so the Yankopon Ayamaye. Nia Asafura the Wayamayan, Yeni Esopa. Your 20th anniversary, no, you're better Cassia Fat, be a large Ankasanga Sangaza. Shannon song. Sanyame Adwuma 26 in so I could see that. There'll be a Thanksgiving service. We'll a special Thanksgiving service on Sunday, May 26, 2024 at the Calvary Methodist Church behind Dix Filling Station at Chemodan Continue 9 o'clock a.m. prompt. Now, I said you made it as now, halfway the 20th anniversary team at that's when we say discipleship, celebrating 20 years of the goodness of the Lord and growing into Christian maturity. Chairman Honorable William Akwesi Ejapon Kwetu and a speaker Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng, Minister in Charge. When I had to answer one being so Honorable Nanaya was Safumafo, Honorable Alex Akwesi Akwa, Honorable Victoria Edu, and our face of Brimpong, Jemfi Safo, Tosumi, and Kronti Hene with the good traditional area. The patch of Afadian Efita. Come one, come all to join us, praise the Lord. Nah, Yama Nankopo. You know why I'm smiling. So help you. I think it's the last week they started your. And that pen of my attention, I call the names on the list too. Yeah, that pen of my attention, I go so. Business will be more than. And I'm best out I'm best channel. What do you say? Okay, it's the chairman Nipa Penny or Betsy Graham. Honorable William Akwesi Ejapon Kwetu. And I invited guests, Honorable Nanaya was Safuma for. I am my area. Ever seen China and Queen Mom? I try motivational message, and I tried I mean Monday. Sorry. And then Tuesday, my confuses here. I didn't see me couple more list. Anyways, and then Tuesday, I've been another motivational message. Motivational message. And then I have been out there with him say, did you know about walk him? What do you say? And to quite is your mamma be so. Nanta quite your mamma be brezo, be moody at Japan. Be muso dear and chesa. Be more crap to Nomgusuko. Be muso dear and I say, Bola Sujano. And Nina Dumba, Siena dear, and do me a big crabby pa. Naji and trending along can say, that is Aji baby. But what I'm saying to Kwabisi, maybe a cremo somewhere the 19th century. 9 to 1 lasted for 38 minutes. And to but it lasted for 38 minutes. I'll share with you in the GF. Stay tuned 93.3 of FM. This is the history class. This is where we educate you on certain things you don't know. I'll be catch you very soon. Stay tuned. Good morning and have a wonderful day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes. Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes. Kwabena cost what?
Right, so of course 93.3 FM mid-morning at Adwuma-Adwuma and you nyam enkan safu rade aseda enkan safu rade wo nia waya maye na ogusua oye enania onye nso ye de gidi age atum say amen ayeho aseda ni chaka sen koma wa do kasafidi ato 93.3 FM we be a we take kasafidi and then they can't do Casafidi to one man. Yamo Kwaba. Uncle Bimupa, we can assure you that because program we are to show a very educative, entertain you now for you, inform you. In fact, you have all the elements of radio, my ultimate radio experience as well. Now, Color Studios and the Good Embroidery at that romantic and fire crunch as seven from real. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Your motivational message from Brown Pay and Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Na I say ano pebiano yadi crash as embroidery. Me patch photo studio papa pan watching what dan kroma the Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And for all your wedding photographies, birthday photographies, studio photographies, picture frame, the passport pictures, ningina na do near trim away Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Under embroidery works in so no. There was school crest, there was church Lacoste embroidery, face tower embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery. For the trim. Na brana yama ya open on yenye amount. Friend was 0245 276 0245 276 Color Studios HR Kwan watch more than Liberty Transport opposite Kenneth Pharmacy. This morning I see and can't just give thanks for a little and you will find a lot. Give thanks for a little and you will find a lot. Bibi kakrebia on sabe kembia na mawoni so na dase. Odi sa be ma wakwanya na se be bie kwan e de ma bebre. Uni say me I can tell you for a fact Nyankopon wo dwanko for bebre. Ya me ye nyom wanko for pa but the go appreciate it. Oye fanya mento nchense sia. Nko for bebre wo hono ma mo maboafo emfimu because wo mo ya de ma money nso. Obi wo hono ma ebia na ma me fa nsu esi mani minye example. We a bottle water medium size. Obi wo hono ma ebia na nye medium size no pay. Ope big size ne ba. But ebia na ne boafo on to me and purchase a big size. Now a money medium. Big na the same I can't say ade woman wo nya insuo na wo you get. It is so common the wa mabre medium no. Ebia na nka wo ope big size. But me medium ne ma no. Watch there because you need it here. But when you answer because enye na open am the amount. Me patro me can what you say. Am I making sense? Nia wo hwehwe free me channel. Me the amount all right. When you answer because enye the exact thing you want. And this is what is stopping people from helping others. And confront me one confo because they are made command in cranny so ABI yes or pesika. The person needs about 1,000 cedis. But who bet someone be about 700, 800, and 2,000. Obi wo ha nani enso. Yes. And you obi na ya bi ketoman nani zo. I mean, you need 1,000. The person is able to provide 500. Niba son, niba J. Oh, me that's and you want come and you have. We just say we may find them 500. I mean, we can find the account him for we find them. So until you want to for me, one man. Oh man, Nadia Crown, you are also thinking, say Nadia, I'm the commanding crab, person and Yana. Meanwhile, wolf fish away at the Cassia Pambiamano. Now 500 you media day. Ah, open. Paper 1,500, 500 make a February fan. Making what word do you see? Make a February when Namadia also. I just saw no Casacra no be M1. But now why am I so and sound son and income? Channel pay a catcher say, Bibi Ketwa will be the Bamano. Bibi Ketwa will be the Bamano. Ma will need so. So when you saw a beer quine at the Mabebre. And to you get our medas in a mishra. Oh, who's out there? No, a beer quine. So give thanks for a little. Kakrebina, Maonin Sona das one. A beer quine at the Mabebre. Man, was there. You see, a chrome hangasangazano and call for entitlements at Dawson. Hey, people think they are entitled to someone's money. And I said, everyone owes them something. I was so be me one entitlement and our money penny so no more kruma. Me change car with the mommy. Meanwhile, any panam from our crab on your baby. But this answer any answer to Muntino. Obeya hwema on news so ahonhon no be to us here, amen. Receive it, you to us here. I saw a video of Obidi yesterday. I think Caleb posted it. Mr. Mano have me where am I going to be trouble no class you see. I ever see try what was this year. Baby file call level 360 na yanko pe shabo pe de ope cook na shabo kra za wo de wo makọ. Well, you said that not petition be out national can. You said that no boy have okay, any petition, but you say 75%. Hey, you so you got 360, you got pay you know me amra.
Mafili, esana chile. How your guy? Minya, baby, I bet na jiwani. I was so mejo. And we here level 360 pop on kwa. And now ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. E be na pon ato hama. Obi opeso your birthday. Obi opeso your graduation. Make sure empon ho. Ana empo birthday biano. Bra. Siketwe bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games biaso no. Bra. Na behwe. Ya was secure car park. Jack. Your security airtight. Ya wa mantra top ha. Fit a phone muha, and I be level 360 pop. Jack, oh no boys, oh no girls, Munina, Mumbrani and Gianni, Besre, 0540 535777 0540 535777. I think church level 360 pop, ever my ultimate pop experience.
So Famuko na yarube to muntum gra. Yesu bebebe ya besim we yana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom. Ko ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava one herbal capsules and a mesha. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mesha me kira Ava one herbal mesha so de malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Ompo mu ayemre. Bobobi. Omodoso nyana o drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumien. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We dura ne Ava one herbal mixture. Wa kimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato Amwafo drugstore. Kenop pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Sedroso. Bosome pharmacy. And Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aje ejwedi nkratoya tu
Mido
asa na de fia e hwampa.
Ha, eye ban 20 na ma efia ehwehwe hwam sa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. And wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye para zo enu na me de sie.
Medo me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahohura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bebre nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo eye JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana. Ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so po matu a wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesi a.
I didn't realize her. Who Mr. Q ni buha fem me be wife. My wife do gum anymore see no. Mr. Q dey say na. Take it easy. As a work for do. How can I take it easy? Ojam me busa. E ma say enu mu kunu no atoka ama wo mo. Ne ma kotoka e mu gam. Afa ni pedi machi e be ye show. Wo ma ni mu ha ifroba na no a. Enye de hia ni e. Ko pe me drum Mr. Q ni bi banom. Na me hu se me oba. Na ma mpodi no bi fire wood. E dru de hia. Enu ane se wa ye no jo se de suo to no wa sori ko. Ojam we dia no di o. Be say da petra pa ke. Na se oba no so di kan. How? Wo ma yiri ewiase da pade nyina. Na se e do na di no da house fire wood a. Kunya Kunlun Ghana Limited at Aroma, but then Mr. Q, Abbey, I didn't know what's out of and come no did our mean. What did I say? Jibiconum, a sir, wako Heba, chemical, and a pharmacy, do also a wako Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Our down call LB Amwafu, the Netrumesi, Kennedy Drugstore, Well Green Pharmacy, Mama Doris was asking for Sue, Francis Mesa was asking for Sue, Frank and Doctor Pharmacy were Esukuma of Ben Brakwa, unable to afford Kulun pay for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you, because you must say, I like that.
FD Ashosha sa ejedi enkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
Asempapa bi amati oye asempapa bi amati offer oye
medicine papa be na watia offer oye ye dia sam da no
oh menua eye HJ Africa domini CSR Ghana heya eno makabom eno ma me how to atwa nei metu sa anwum yo o makofa organic fertilizer ba eye wafuo ni ye esiesi asase epammoa na ma ono ba no eso doso
kuafo ni ene fertilizer ho ye din yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare
enu so tiri mani je essence offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye ne kama na ba so se doso enu ntina me bo hu dawro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944669. Any baby I talk ya hu nyoma bia.
Offer organic fertilizer.
As a papa bia offer. Oye.
Offer.
Oye. Offer. Offer kakra bi su no ba no. Ebe su do.
Hi, your friend me former. Medjuma sweni inti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma sheminsa. Mesha se usika enco waste inti me tomenyo nyina free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Enti sa wo cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Nyina obenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches, iron rods, 16 mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, skin off, papa pani bi. fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa Chairman Mensa Cheng, or Wakameni Junction, on Ijaji and Edinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yaga your way. Yaga your way. Batman, all for it. All for it. Yes, them
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
so who you been you my brown. It is the I said you're very what is it? You must say, Mama Yambo, na young girl, na young Mama Yambo, na young girl, na young oh yeah, call on us a bro. Please do the boogie, yeah. And do the boogie, yeah. Do the boogie, yeah. Shake your body, what's the bison? Asaboni, Biaren Kumazazi, oh, Murayam Bom, Nayan Go, Nayan Sayan Diani, Murayam Bom, Nayan Go, Nayan Sayan Diani, oh, ya call on us a bro, do the boogie, yeah. Do the boogie, yeah. Miss it, do the boogie, yeah. Miss it, do the boogie, yeah.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Baby na me peno, ella dice me boy. Baby na me peno, ni do ye, oh day ye, yami ama, oh day ye, yami amo. Inti onche matadi obeso she, onche mintu mo obeso fra, onche me budi obese mintoma, dodo yo be yama o, onche matadi obeso she, onche mintu mo obeso fra. Once you make the open up in Tomaro, don't you obey your mother? I got me
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Sunshine, I'll never let you go. I'm gonna make you fine, cause you my sunshine, I'll never let you go. I'm the rock life dada, everything they do, I said I'm their father. I'm the rock life dada, everything they do, I said I'm their father. Come on, so baby, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby, don't you worry. Just be happy, yeah. Boss, all the money on the mansions gonna be yours, baby. Singing, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby. Don't you worry. No, just be happy. Meaning say, I need more. I don't mean more. I need more.
Nakuma no. Ayahima. Nakuma penu. Ayahima. The body the amani boof. All the deep there. The body the amani boof. All the deep there. You see me penu. You see me penu. It's riding so. All the mommies Kuma suma dia Kwani mida Kuma suma dia Kwani mida yeah.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Cost.
Darling, good morning. Name me bunny dear morning.
Yeah, that's how I'm yo. Money coming home, money never yo.
Darling, say good morning. Name me dear bunny dear morning. What's it?
Yeah, that's how I'm yo. Money coming home, money never yo.
Darling, say good morning. Name me dear bunny dear morning.
Yeah, that's how I'm yo. Money coming home, money never yo. Come on, Brahma, yes, so. Oh, my baby boy, friend, so they so. Oh, no, I wouldn't get me here, yo. Oh, no, come to me, and my baby.
Oh, baby girl, now go through why? Oh, my pretty girl, who the problem? Me come and son na de achiung, me lu come see you, me de be ma wo.
Tell me, can you would you be no? Hey, you know, I'm a meant to me, no.
Men soon now, do you mean no? Where you know I'm meant to me go.
Come on, give it to me. Me pretty hardcore, ready.
Empty, come on, give it to you. Open the hardcore, me see you near.
Yeah, then tell me come and see me swirl. I'm not from Mamba home girl. We didn't say you know, tell them telling the intimacy and the shot. She gonna say.
Darling, good morning. Name me dear bunny dear morning.
Yeah, that's how I'm yo. Money coming home, money never yo.
Darling, say good morning. Name me dear bunny dear morning. What's it?
Yeah, that's how I'm yo. Money coming home.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Cost.
Yeah, that's how I'm yo. Money coming home, money never yo.
I want to fuck you. Shabba Willie, who could have seen this a morning? I want to fuck you. Shabba Willie, who could have seen this a morning? I want to fuck you. Shabba Willie, who could have seen this a morning?
Ross nigga, can you wine and wriggle?
Oh, the fuck, can you care it and take it?
And them if I cook away your liquor.
Alright, that make me feel it.
Baby, you love me when you're me shit.
I think what, that me better okay.
Right here with your bim Benjamin.
That's how we put your way on it. Oh, the fun up when me pesa me know your uba. And text me so na me fa when you me pela. What's the pin of your was and so what it? Ain't take that much from it.
So you for rock I'm off him and I'm in the front of sin. I'm in the middle of my stomach and it's so free. I'm in the middle of my system. I'm me own friend in the line.
Oh, the fun me know galley. I feel it good, I would have boom.
That's nigga to go, that's no one to go to a net of Tunana. That's nigga to go, that's no one to go to a net of Tunana. I want to fuck you. Shabba Willie, who does it somewhere?
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Cost.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so yakwawa yakope nsuwa no shabu nsuwa kope mota no that was my me use word say wa bro sa manka so wabro me so wabo Oze Mimi who that but nurse na eka nurse say hey that no na wo he fa shabo bu nurse no so bi abo nurse no so bi abo and nurse we no wu ah one pam me had some say nurse who timi hu so bi abo and ya wo de be no wo dru di ya wo hwe henye Anyways, my MFO got level 360 pop. At level 360, that means if you are looking for the ultimate sports to unwind and have a blast, then look no further than level 360 pop, located on a Mantra Jubilee Hospital Road. At level 360 pop, we've got it all: great music, delicious drinks, and a lovely atmosphere for that. It will keep you grooving all night. So whether you are celebrating a special occasion or just looking for a fine night out with friends, level 360 Pub is the place to be. Our friendly staffs will make sure you have an unforgettable experience. Alright, so serving you your favorite cocktails and ice cold beers. And about the music, so we got you sorted with a wide range of music genres, from the latest hits to throwback classic, and our talented DJs will keep you dancing all night. And also the energy we will give you that day, So level 360 is always ready to make you feel good. At your level 360 pop parties need normally from Fridays to Sundays. So level 360 pop sabra na be feely bra be jiwoni ebia ho ma ho da. Make you sure so be back ho this Friday, this weekend. So any na ho energy na now say wo pon ho ana we engagement program bia we bia upe baby ayena na waba level 360 pap till through the birthdays the bia koso the bia birthday koso level 360 na me tell say siketwe bia nim oba just come and see management oba me first me be my birthday wa ha e be gia tum catching day na person oba no time na person oba no e be gia tum be ba no your DJs be ba na DJ Kobike wo DJ Cashes obeba na me wo ho ne ade a na ya pra preacher ma yema woni ajepa yen jisika enka se twiawe ansa na wa be your birthday there bi na mom nsan de obeto level 360 yema won fan san free mba obeto nsan e wo ho enti bra na baji woni ana obeti my friend 0540 535 777 0540 535 777. Ofra sempe be pon me ho. And your sounds so only my dey kwa for this o person pon ho on my your sounds. You know when on kwa say me ko high sound o baby your sound. O dey bra ne international no empra preach need ground for now. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Chairman Mensa, Bossu Chairman, Bossu Mensa. But you come, Mr. Mensa and China, Yankoto dance in Hunyoma. You come, Mr. Mensa and China, Yankoto building materials. It is a open iron rods, super POP fiber, open plaster balls, and as a marine boards, center panels, corner moldings, no one angles are. Na odi woni atrim ewe Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason About your child now, Croman on the baby, Abenya dance on your matono. See you, Menko baby, Obenya problems, baby, Menko baby, Abeka I'm Huyanka. Come Mr. Messanchain, Iron Rose, Papa Pan, the end rusty, near problems being in Honadwa, a carpenter for you, Nadia Tum, cement, this is a seam of cement, diamond cement, gas cement for Nichuma Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Messan. The chair Kwaya Chimodan coming in Janshi, one is Jaji, and the D. Shenimuha. The patrol, our cast will honor my cement, I hold up to be on. A bit to me, Edia Kujao, Iron Rose, POP episode to be on. Your car or high, bit to me, Edia Kujao come upon. Mr. Ross over for 0208 123 and a 0244 0208 123 and a 0244 Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Chairman Mensa. What's your brasisia? Na Yendiga. The patrol and I have another macacho said, did you know? No, Yadebe bro, Ewo Jumedi so. Na Mamefa won't call Mauli Fruitus Ventures. Construction work be a open heavy duty machines. Mauli Fruitus Ventures as a bra. Afe mining works so away Mauli Fruitus Ventures Sebra say opese o hire na o rent excavator o rent bulldozers ye will loaders and so on ma ye betimi e the excavator ni we mu nyina de sisu e de akoja obi a wodi kobia eti bra Mauli Fruitus Ventures mining works bi a we construction works bi a we ene ne ho equipment a wo hia enyoma kese a wo hia nyina ye will be our yaso ye channel so say oba Mauli Fruitus Ventures apart from excavators ni bulldozers ni loaders na they rent no your sound so at the canopies mattress and our friends so inkunya be our person with the program be a we be a nkunya canopies mattress no Mauli Fruitus Ventures is a bra ya waka wo hono free cars to deliver the rented canopies and chairs it's a bra na yama bibi ankoso kama pawa ye tira kwan wachem soabe achem wanchi ofre ya emfa ho no bibi awo no ye waka wo ho free cars ye cars enti the bra ana se ton safre na ye fa enyoma no nyina emfa embra bibi awo wo betumi ni yen din komo 0541 470-857 and 0200-787-889 0541-470-857 0200-787-889 Mauli Fruitus Ventures, we serve you the best. Frempong Enterprise Adwuma-Adwuma Obadi Papache Frempong Sabra Provisions in the Kruma Wanitua Ultimate San Frempong Ho Enko Babia Frempong Enterprise Sabra na so yesia na better provisions are expiring date enkano provisions are papa provisions are quality and bra yeah Frempong Enterprise watchim Odam Mandarina Hotel asia all kinds of macros, all kinds of cooking oil, knitting tomatoes nina oba Frempong Enterprise obenya biato perfumes ahodo Frempong Enterprise bano body cream ni hair cream ni ade nyina Frempong Enterprise after so electrical accessories and not electrical gadgets bi mu oba Frempong Enterprise obenya biato na Frempong Enterprise in Krabata na Dawson Mandarina Hotel asie ho na ba ko ho after so Liberty Lane mu akuna na store building opposite obehu Frempong electrical shop ewo ho oba Chimodan new market in Kwantenuma Frempong Enterprise shop kesi pan wo ho no ma provisions wo ho drinks wo ho and our functional electrical accessories and so ewo ho open fan open washing machine open rice cooker open blender open TV then now benye bi ato ewo yeah Frempong Enterprise wo new market after we do total filling station OGN Bank Dynama Honsu ya drink shop wo hono ma ya dey serve the good people of Achimoda anti ko na copper drinks alcohol enim e wo Frempong Enterprise afọ isu udru Absa Bank opposite oho na Frempong Enterprise shop na 824/7 on one empon anopa ewie nwumere nyina one ewo ho Etiko from Pond Enterprise and na koto provisions, koto electrical accessories, koto drinks, koto cosmetics. Nyane bo F4. If you have make a because me perfume asan. Na inko pay bi ni ade afre 0244 897525 0244 897525 na 0206 473 953 0206 473 953 0242 111236 from Pond Enterprise Adwuma-Adwuma what the papa che Adwuma Center Uti dina obi nkanchero Adwuma na che say Adwuma so e won faso pa na ya rebia ni assassin so de Adwuma kana o say onko ya rebia o de Adwuma kana obeko enti ne Adwuma Center se bra na wo monfa Adwuma eye pure herbs emfa kan ya re no na ompe be bi fa enti say cocoa sexual dysfunctions na Facebook 3D ya re malaria na oba Adwuma Center won be bo na afi to ase na ma you well qualified doctors and nurses we aswe afo STDs fabra na into ase ma diabetes and afi so pressure you to ase and your toxin machines in so it will help eliminate dead cells and toxin materials from your body and also helps in detoxification of the liver, kidney, and others. And then, Adwuma Center, as a Brasses, a Penny Junction, opposite Hanset Beauty Salon. I watch him straight to coins. And that's a phrase 0599419321 0599419321. OD Media, now OD Electronics. ODI Electronics, OD Media. In fact, OD Media is happy to inform you that you can pay half of the price of any item I open. Now, you are spreading the rest at the amount with maximum period of 3 months. Now, for the corner by yes, now abayodia. And then tina sa ope TV air conditioner, ope fridge, ope deep freezer, ope washing machine, rice cooker, blender, ceiling fan, furniture away OD Media. I war shop on away Achimadan Quantenum opposite MTTU. And then now for you I could choose product ope now which 3 months. What do I say? Internet sorry, teacher 4, nurses 4, at the pump 4, your mama more markets, our face of fit 4 mechanics. Mongina, your mobile quaba at the bar with D Media. Kohose say, na fridge na pesa turn out the tongue soon. Or qua, could you see? Na young price then show next year half, na fi half na canon for 3 months for year. For 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 and I'm can you not in the 0550 900 600 050 sorry 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 Precious Don Cool Ventures. Nelson now for follow. Don Cool Ventures are saying some be our person would talk near my wife fine. I will say, hey, what's me near Juma? We had my crowd at that. Hey, Don Cool Ventures. What was it, bro? It's not what it is, so don't copy. Also, and I retail any way I swear. About the Guinness product, I have a patch of baby at our friends on soft and alcoholic beverages. Then I don't Cool Ventures, won't say bra. Now, the baby Tony at the eye, distribute first at the Macassa Precontinue, Black Rock there, the Blewo, tonic wine, K20, dry gin and Lumbo. Then I baby at all products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. Your check wine was Sunny Star Plaza, Ben Jubilee Hospital, at Chamadan Woman Road, from 0555 486 990 and at 0556 252 668. Numbers ne bi a committee won't in the blue. I mean, Shepherd Panosocra. But the PFU students are casting member means to to say number is the studio number and come through that. Number we and come through that 0554820910. That will be say come now. Me paying kind for number I'm saying Pacho go Facebook. Go Facebook. Any me trimo. Any me Pacho. That can't stress my life. Right, so Enche, did you know? Yeah, they were brought here on 93.3 FM. They say I can't be brazy, which in Tokadi be brazy pa. We ask him last month. It was trending. I don't know who brought up that thing. People say it's a third world war. But Basonia, the idea, Tokyo Tosumi Sana is the first world war by second one by. Yeah. Your course school, you see, Sagranti war. Why am I laughing? I am laughing because I know one in Shabu one fine yashi. What's the name?
And mommy boy.
Find the value of x if y is equal to 36. So there will be the lens to cut 1 and 10. There will be.
Oh, but not funny x. X, you know, down.
But you see, sometimes I want to agree with Ghana Education Service. With him, it is good say ubenya knowledge in everything. Wake akra. What I say. Na BBA team ya there. Akoso kama pa.
By the by force do. Chanti. Ezo.
Then by force.
So when you kakra. Now we move on. By the end year. Ezo failure. Who feel class the cry. Who feel class the feel like.
Yeah. Any problem. Sense na make say. You see, that type of education system, maybe been to me bagana. They say, Mao, Akalana ko, maybe I would do upper primary, class from class 4. No, till the young lower primary. To lower primary, then you be who say, oh, okay, ebia, or you say, or you're good in maths,
yeah,
or you're good in science, or you're good in saying. To do class 4. Now, if you identify what the kid want to do, now if you follow that process, I don't know. Say that education system, bit my age, I mean, I am only saying. Now, for you who say, okay, I am very good at science, from class 4, econom, uncle, maybe a science school, and uncle science department. You say this is what the person wants to do. Don't come and stress us with science, maths, economics, government. History, this. We go learn everything. Me, I did SSM, me general arts, me electives, government, economics, history, and I don't know. My country. No, my main can be
economics.
So geography. Yeah, so I did I did history, economics, and government. 4. Me electives no.
You have a 7 count.
Oh, say call the English science maths and they say yeah 50 primary but history the governments and you want be wom kakra ya na say so me history I had A1 government I had B3 and economics the me na me find I had D7
me boy street
oh the mambo econs na me per class because me teacher na your friend at the Cocobia, Papa no one Papa. Papa no you're correct. Oh, I didn't visualize I'm in the class go. So me history I had A1 I can say government I had B3 and geography I had B2 but I can't say there oh I remember because I didn't go I'm in the class go and I'm meditating me can say
me quite nothing what's it
me on say so me I was told to say unya D7 now untumi nko tertiary. But me electives me pass it 3. That is how I me team go school. But I uncle focus and I D7 there. But D7 is economics and I go tertiary you hear 3 electives. It's D7 nankasa na me papa no office onyame me so me nya no enyi obi because D7 my fan come me bibia ho. I say it was 3 and I me proceed here. But any nya chi kura no okasa. And I me dey here. What you say? O ma hamesan na ma so and a sign so katwa. Letimi draw mosquito near label the parts. A command near draw command near label the parts. Geography card he card geography wait my draw na map. No I no. Oh there be. There be.
Bara me ko accounting. Accounting so enyo boy ko.
Bana ka uchalo tu. O ase ka uchalo tu. Accounting there so I got bank.
Yeah.
No. Accounting one got bank. Ana bianca one buy efia ha. Sa has at least senka ye okoka marketing department. Aha. Ana say go chalo tu. Emu bako. Because accounting student the 1 2 3 na choro. Ela mamu ye CRS no. Bebe na preach waka mu. One preach waka mu na wonya sorry that me preach mu na one ko evangelizer. Who the CRS so be there. I do go preach waka mu. Hey, Ghana, Africa, at the roof. Oh, by me, I am always proud to be, history students. Yeah. Oh, me anga sana me pe history class we. History stuff I no get A1 grant kamesa ko school bi. Kamesa ko school bi over Kulibali say with accounting, can't you start your own small scale bank? So something like savings and na shabu ono shabu Charlie that I just start susu mebo mebo
sao I mean if you have obi so
Kulibali say no a science student.
Oh wow.
It's in baby dey running on one field there. Aha ade na ya manu be mi ka.
Ayo.
Na ka home economics student dey can nursing school for home.
Ba me. Kumu dey o ye jane ma edi. Enya na o tete. Eze. Home course for num na ye nyane.
Bebre na so o we school a kope na ese yanko. Home econ student dey.
O kope dey ho.
O ko he dey.
We na mo ha ban geke. Abana ban geke. Though I'm your biology. Say home econs. I'm your biology. There's this thing I'm your food and nutrition is not there, right? It's in the nuclear over to me. But I'm still home economic student there. There should be cry visual art for visual art in over some cotton essence forms. Massa, your GK and your drawing who the quiet Pepe Tragra. But you if you like anymore. I think there be a home economics for no year kakra. She visual art for. Na technical for no crowd. Technical was who be police. But you if you like anymore. Anyways, young person of young fire what we are about to tell you today. So in Tokwabi in the 19th century. Yes, I'm a proud historian. So let me tell you what happened. So in Tokwa, Anche ewo wiase. It lasted for 38 minutes. 38 minutes. 38 minutes. And in Tokano, it lasted. Now, Sanamidi Kankaino, there are wars. Me chen Tokwa bebra esia. Ebi mukra gusu ekon. Ebi mukra gusu one or two things. Ebi munso I sabola soja already na Medi Kankaino. Enino any time but yabe. Enino doom but I see no bibi wo bibi kito be trigger biano and a whole lot of mayhem near the ebeba. So let me tell you about this fight or this war that happened in the 19th century, somewhere 1896. 1896. Wait, I am talking it happened between Britain and Zanzibar. Britain
Yeah, and tokwa omone Zanzibar ekonye. It lasted for 38 minutes and making it the shortest war in history. In tokwa esi Minim sa obebusa say what was the cause of the war? Den enema in tokwano ebae. So let me tell you, we have just about 9 minutes, but let me tell you what happened. So, in the 19th century, in Tokwano, esi on 27th August 1896, 27th August 1896, and in Tokwano, and I say a happen here. Now, the cause of the war was that the war was sparked by the death of the previous Sultan. And I'm friend, Caleb Ibn Bahast. Now, a Sultan, it's more like authority, power, overseer, obi war, like a king. Yes. So he died. On him, Britain wanted to take over. And to normal person more feel say you didn't be the no embassy so. To say be a or abu hanum say. Na me example. Abu hanum say. Na ebi a nursing and a akwhwefo nyina hen. Na nursing wu. Nursing wu ye no. Akwhwefo no say yemfa shabo endi ade. Ena nkofo bi a ewo dan so say there bi ye de shabo di ade a enye ye ti nka yemfa AJ endi ade because ye de AJ di ade there you betimi influence AJ. What I say? So through AJ no you betimi control akohwefo e wa abo. Be pa what I say? Say ye de shabo besi ho no ma shabo na sama eden there be can be a ontie eti yemfa AJ mom emesi ade na ye de AJ ba ye betimi influence akohwefo nyina. Wey ena almost there be mente ase yebete ase mente ase. So immediate Nippon person omodi esi ade was someone from their camp. I mean the British. Someone from their camp. What do you say? Iti enipa no ana kom person omodi ni si ade no na amo friend no Hamad bin Mohammed, who was more favorable to the British interest as Sultan. Listen, the British authorities preferred Hamad bin Mohammed because he was more favorable to their interest. When this guy becomes the Sultan, or king, when he becomes the king, we can influence him easily. We can do whatever we want to do on the land because he has our interest. But your friend Hamad bin Tawinion, or no, they didn't even see there or no on fear. What I say? This became a train, ahinsem crowe this side of what's the name? Hamad bin Mohammed, together with the British. So okay, they will fight Hamad. The first one is Hamad, and the second one is Hamad. So the Hamad with the British will fight the Hamad. You understand? And he said, you better mumpo, you better na yen die ababedi so. And in Tokwana then it wasn't an easy. Now the chance British, you know, they gave an ultimatum. At the moment, say, yo, so we they consider so many things. Now your mom some short time will be for you guys to think about your decision properly. Else, you better wash them also. You touch them also so and now money ever the ebesi home. So British now in fact they were interested in the Zanzibar because they had a lot of things they think capture na be omo they are. This is how slave trade began in that land. What I say? It one more by force.
at the chi we are there nako at the so ntokwano it lasted for 38 minutes, and this is how about 500 people died. No, because they wanted a powerful sultan. Obi a feel say obi to me a really a crony, you know, but because of the British influence, you know, it became deadly, it became bloody. But ye gigi and tokwano omudi a boni na just easy gra. So about 500 people died. And nipa 500 mako 500. Ewuye. Enti nia no yenti had to surrender and then hand over to the British personnel omo finding interest in him, because na the British for no ultimatum, and they were telling him to in fact they sent an ultimatum to Caleb demanding that he order his forces to stand down and leave the palace. So in response to what Caleb or Hammond was what brought about the fight, and I must say okay, then you be say I mean see form na the person mu ye bia omu ye. So within 38 minutes 500 people died. 38 minutes. So assuming fight no twice for 1 hour, fight no twice for 1 hour, and nanka kromu fo nyina them go die. A kromu fo nyina on ebewu. So this is one historical facts people really do not know about, but every historian knows about what I am saying. The shortest fight in history lasted for 38 minutes. And fighting war. The shortest war in history lasted for 38 minutes. And Tokwa yakone gidi pa ya to a giant to bomb near. It happened in the 19th century, 27th August 1896, and it lasted for 38 minutes between the British and the Zanzibar.